Wagagani so edo. Avete veti me se. Wagagi calli me o. Avete de. Waeke ne matario. If you don't wahin. If you don't wahin. Una tieve o, you gotta record the way. Gotta record the way. Cause if you no man negbe with time man, who ga believe it boy. Who get tieve who ga pa Fiona. Who ga believe it boy. Hi lovers, good morning, good morning, good morning. I get record one play. I better not share this video. Now let this video viral. A lady, a useless lady from another useless Ibeside family. He called me this morning, was giving me useless message, which is I cannot even explain by myself. So I have to record the idiot before he cut her call. I record them. Yes. Una do well, my people. Una go to Morgan. Please, if you never share this page, share them. More regarded the record. Men are listening and God go bless una. Listen and be blessed. Very important. I don't know the lady, but according to the lady saying they follow me for Avielele. Yeah, be recording on it don't give you opinion me to borrow.
Mama Mutia, you understand?
Not a year.
Monica, when you are in, we are not see any. Na ye play like me. Later, ya record of your young to a little bit. I understand. Or when you are even again, me ya of your Monica with social media, mama. I will give Mary. Igbinani Megbinane Monica na. E Monica ma give me one bit.
Okay.
But I know the truth of the.
Guys, are you guys hearing me? Please share it. Share this video. You know, it's only here I can do my video now because Aproko Mama don't go report me. Remember 5 days, made that page open. So, for those who see they collect their subscriber back, you have to keep your subscriber there, okay? 5 days, I will be there. Understand, eh? Please, share this video. Let a lot of people come and watch this useless Ibeside woman that Vera or Lolekia sent to me this morning. Please, listen and be blessed.
Yes.
Hey, Monica.
So I didn't get to do you gonna give weapon to do other things.
Mama Mutia, you understand? Hey, Monica, when you are ignorant, we are not see any. Na ye play like
keep your opinion.
Later, ya record of your young to a little bit. I understand. Or when you are ignorant, even again, me ya of your Monica with social media, mama. I will give Mary. Igbinani Megbinane Monica na. E Monica ma give me one bit.
Okay.
But I know the truth of the matter. Baba. Ibeke iyalike ya kire. Sisi ya when a problem for. I will be ready for them. Oh, irevani mama. Irevani at least. If me agbe Monica by Monica ma wrong, eh? You not wrong.
Opinion well, I am opinion. Any matter about opinion with a
Evera, imi agbe Vera la wa mommy Evera. Ya have your born Evera because I Monica see a Vera gbe. Uwe. Imi agbe bame, ya agbe Vera bame. A topic no we mu adi agbo. No do analyze. Ya agbe ba. Evera na one ne matter na fo. Ege we ya do analyze. Really, the truth is bitter, mama. Ege analyze. Go for leave the matter because now the matter making enter Monica life that time. Now the matter you know they analyze things.
Why go leave her?
On your problem, Nania. A vera must a problem. A metobi metis a problem because if can a vera minaji, a sad in a vera minaji, a sad the lolo minaji, and they gave a den a lolo ave do you have your bonnet. A sad the lolo, no, mama, we understand the. Okay, Monica, don't wait. Have bag of rice in here. Mama G, may I tell you?
But Monica work with anyone washer. I mean,
that means that on here, Monica, the truth of the matter with social media. Is it because of food that they fight the truth of the matter? A truth of the matter on social media. Oh, way bed, the other way. Only on madam. Only well. A give away. A loleka can we bed the way we give away there. And Nahana. When never vera utevinu binaba. When a vera terminal binaba, when a vera terminal on Monica. Mama, lacking, I went to lacking there, or Tanan were coming.
They try to hook my video. I'm seeing it. Okay, please check my video. It's just one recording, and I go record the woman page also. The woman Facebook, he fake accounts where they use. I still go record them, and I go show it to her. Then I share them, and I get after when I don't play, I'll call give you now my own opinion. That's what it be.
And I'm like, hey, you understand? Hey, yeah, now me don't seek Monica. I get the Monica the live video, me nobody. Even a lot of people were sending me that time. Hey, yeah, now me don't seek Monica. He gave me a Niak Boviereba. It's the lie. You understand? And Niak Boviereba the last year, do I maybe have a year? Now me understand. A bad day or 1 hour give away. Every day I am not been Monica. It's not because of food. Every year, mommy, a bad day of a bad day. A bad day will give away. It's a birthday. People will celebrate a birthday. Not be evil people will fight for her. People not go celebrate a birthday. Monica happy. Everata where me say gualo. Everata where in gualo no go back of Nigeria. Really, a bad day or ya will give away ni. Todo will give away ni ya fe agbina ni. No, the truth is bitter, mama. Ni me ya beg Monica since there. He will video get Monica. And Monica, anybody where you want me a beat for you, let me know. But the woman never sent me any message. He never sent me any message for you to know that woman is a nice woman. That is why the more that they beat her, the more the woman they rise. The more that they pray for her to go down, the woman go they rise more. I beg. I know they take any bribe. And Monica said, me they know they fight. Me they don't fight for them again. It's more better. Me, ya been and Monica oh. Ya fe no ya be Monica ve ya gbeli ya fe kugbe. E vera ma ve vera okay man ave gbogbo do here. E jan ni ma wo eje we no see me ari ekoti. Ya avio born e vera. Oh ta weru deve e. Oh se ni Monica nyina sike Monica. Oh ta weru deve mama ni no watakpa. E ve soro no ye. No je. Ukpu ya mese no one. Ukpu. I have mese no one. But you still come and say thank you. If I so run or ye robby say ya mese no one. Why lad don't I make the person thank you? Ukbe yes say.
I'm with
before what again? Vera yeke ya record of years since last year or this year. Imagine somebody give you food, you say you know they carry. Una ya record day. Who are the play the guest of the one will not come moon. A laugh, you're only laughing now.
I'm with Misery. I think they say I'm with Misery.
On your life.
Why tell with 95,000 here we are telling me a miss them love Madame I've been a matter no roto. We are with Misery to go and you take back.
Mama, guy, Oviera is confused. Monica is confused. The way Nia saga Oviera más pete. I wait Monica, I'll call you Monica Yata, or make Monica Yata win ye we saga. Where Evera Masse Monica Benia. Evera Masse Monica Be.
What the man I said,
Ija. Evera Etwina. Evera Tile Monica the video. Evera the topic. Evera the topic, mama.
Topic.
Ija, Monica, the woman that lead. Mama, leave that story. the woman that lead. I will say Monica have topic. Or Tania Bovia Regina, no etan Naria Nusi, because they believe that only that one go make the see viewers.
The woman that lead you. The woman that
Mama, Monica met the woman that lead the social media. Nobody born of a woman with a man that will change it. Nobody. I may be a one in no change it. Oh, when I say when I already met you where? Yes, I may be a one in no change it. Why, Monica met the leader that lead madam. I didn't think I would wear don't see me. Yata me, I would there more vielele or my push he don't push me. You got me? He love him, Monica. Or when he had been I will fight for Monica. Why anywhere at all? I think be me a war. I'm fighting for my truth. And when the time reached to breathe the truth, all of them go sit tired for social media. Now so it be. I love Monica, Mama. And I will fight for Monica. I will continue to fight for Monica. If Vera me every time again. Yeah, be Vera to the extent. My Vera must like very court. Okay. E court ni ne Monica tinyanji. You hate me e court wegani. You no marry Morocchino. No matter vie. E Morocchino no marry Latin. I don't fear anybody. Oh, no. What here again? Honorary water. Unari adana urioe. Oamegwe. Umamie wanera ya wame. Umamie honorary 50 cents ya dame wo. You see another person that give you water to drink. My dear, respect that person. Don't ever tell the person say he not do anything for you. If I hear, I will say very bad at or receive the first food. What am I receive the second food? Because I am not do later. Or I am not do what am I receive the second food? I want to hear mama beg. Madam, I say when I would met you where? May say in my like a bit of bishina. Of ye call ne wa gbeo. Wago kwona everatie were mo aviele le wa trave. Igbe family way we man woman why deji. You are a bomb bastard. You waking me this morning telling me I should call you. They tell me rubbish. They mad.
God go bless you now, my people. Before I play the way I take go record the fake accounts, I have to tell you something. You know, in this life, whoever that help you, where you need that help mostly, whoever will decide to help you, no matter what that person go do to you, you have to remember the help where that person do to will give you. This woman now they talk about rice. If they talk about that, so Monica saying use 19,000 anyway. Even if for 100,000, 200,000, man can't hold na show. You understand? Okay, if Vera not be witch, if Vera not be witch, not be person wey be say erere mage or dem mwere but if Vera na person wey be say he know he right, he know he front and he know he left, he go come back on dey do this video say he want to analyze where he know say he know where he dey go. We the time when Vera come and say he want to start to dey analyze, we all know where Vera is driving to. We all know, say, na Monica, na he want enter body. We all know that time. You understand? Right now, he said the reason why he want enter Monica body na the recording. My dear Vera, anytime I want to gear record okay? I want to gear I fully recording because I may be a one in all woman will wear. Oh, woman will wear. Oh, when he need to say Monica, the woman just called me. Or what? You married a swear recording. I not lie, you are not quick starter. Yeah, the woman you call me, he writes me this morning. I can't call him. As I call him back, he no go, he not the online. Now I can't enter Facebook. I see say this our brother, King of Birthday Witches. He did live video. Now I can't share him. As I share them for the friends, for where he for write me now I can't say it online. Now I can't call her. He can't they use English to they greet me before. Me myself can't they use English to they greet her. Later, I do ye boy and no what have yele call. Monica wo wag me nani Monica ye de dog boo later. Monica de dog boo later. Me go what Monica de dog boo later. Me te try ni deg be voice in your no. No deg be tie back again. Or me ye ti deg be tie. So I na swe recording. Einas we record de Monica de dogbe me dear. It can never beat me. Mota. E Monica de dogbe me ina we me wrong. Ne Monica ona de do degbe bully. Yes. If I do something wrong to Monica, I've already loved Monica. You can't you not feel witchy me. You not feel carry on destiny now can't disturb my own destiny. It can never work. Do you understand? E vera tawe o mano kuye gba oge move Nigeria enye gwalo. E vera tawe the person that want to help them take care of your pikin now in they look for. So that people when you want fight for that and they go they ready to carry 200,000 they send to a pikin every week with every month. Imagine the community. You that say I do recording. I go vera azen. A first food you receive. Once when I receive the second food, if there are not be wichi, why do you not receive the second food? Why not receive her? Oh, when I negbe ma ohona, or do I see me with your are you serious? If they ask me where I receive your dear, I receive it. Honoring that minute birthday, which is what I do for Monica, I receive, Vija. Vera where a bag no. Imoto etazit otimenekere ya amuye ni Monica muni me. Etazi otimenekere ya amue. Yes. Etazino kwa hola kuri avivi unza. Odo anomota uwe receive ya. Me wa receive ekbo ho. Owa no mwe fufu bag no wa gwalo a. Wo vera ya we. Any ne social media no wa we no see a na. O na me ne ni go no ya we epi no wa. Imagine the community. Oh, now I don't understand. Whoever that send you comment, block yourself because I want you to watch me. That is why I did not block you. After watching this fucking video, then you block your fucking self. It best you. You are mad. You calling me this way? This is your thing which me. Are you serious? Are you okay? Are you okay, madam? Are you okay? He don't know Vera. Monica. Say Monica when wag binan yak bokwo avialele. Agi mo make bina wegbewa. If you ask him, agi mo make bina go to your father, your generation father. Go there, go and swear because we take be me. Never. No matter any area where you plan bad against me. Hey, you are your egg bell na go use na take career. Wajun waya mwe eken wana ya tie ni no if you know you do what say waya pejo. Are you a bomb bastard? Are you crazy? Are you mad? Again me ya message to Monica is when I got give me it's when I got tamame we right down wa gbe o na wa jun we bie kwe mi isa go hian degbo we wa gbe o wa ho na horiye. I fight for Monica, you do nothing. I will continue fighting for Monica. You do no more than dead rat. Are you a bomb bastard? Are you crazy? Are you mad? Oh, no rejob no my na gbe say. Oh no, ukbuke kan ya me zen we. You have to say thank you. You have to say thank you. Wa gbe o wa gbon wa hola horiye. E vera pa mamu e na. Omune evanibu. Ani go no be reze. 300,000, 500,000 zeveterio. The money was big. Was war. Who got the time where no here packet there give you Vera in Nigeria. Vera nidinia. My dear, Eloleka ni ebu na ni ai. Neloleka ke we bed where me always give away is anyone in Nigeria. No ke we bed we give away zen wa. When not swear na not swear the bag of rice amunon wa gbeo. Who what the time because of food. That is why you guys went to Monica life. Una for talk and say because of money. That is why you guys went to Monica life. Are you serious? So you cannot even present the truth because of I need this person money. You cannot even present the truth because of I want this person to help my children in Nigeria. Are you okay? Are you serious? Are you mad, Okona? Egbekwe ranwe. For even to call me alone. Egbe ranwe Okona. Egbe ranwe. Wa akwola akworie. Wa agbe o laska sheko bogun ogbegbewe. Egbe wa akwola akworie. So I went to the place. These are Facebook. I just left Facebook.
All these small my people. Wage leti now. Obi okpa Fiona o wati me. Me iri ore pana mege o magme gume. Ido
try to call me since, yeah. Only this 5 now, miss call. Don't try to call me. Before you can't send me message. Avialele called me. I don't know the woman before. When I see the profile, I don't know him. So this morning, now when I can't write her good morning, I say me I call her write her good morning. As he say, you know, they online. Now I can't enter Facebook. As he say, this our brother, they on live video. Now I can't share her. So as I share her, I can't see saying they online. I can't call her. As I call her this morning, I can't begin they give me, Avialele. Monica say me, you know, fight for them. Why see they fight for Monica? Why, where? You know, if you be your leader by yourself, my dear people, I bet me not take time for my body. Why I call you, when woman ya call you since then, I was so happy. You call me, I bring your destiny out. What is say? More go check the woman Facebook. He call me, I go bring your destiny out. Now be the thing. They crazy. They tell me say leave. They tell me say leave. Vi ati vera. Mi se vera e. Me se vera e. Eki no he vera deveki. Eki no ho de ofia wagbon. Igbina ni me igbina ni vera eta me thank you. Eta me thank you. Ebanya ya gbin igbina wa wo ya fe ahola ahoriye. Ogbe. Now I be the recording. Why go record the page this morning? How can you imagine? How can a lady will you wake up for your husband bed this morning? Calling a girl we never even marry. Are you okay? Are you serious? Why can't you have that time to take care of your children? What a word. It just let's see beside people. Are you serious? Is it because of this rubbish call, this rubbish recording now, the rubbish message where you give me this morning? Now I make it come they call me. Give me 5 missed call this early morning. Before he writes, say Avialele called me. Are you okay? Where okay, Okuna?
Yes.
Hey, Monica.
So I really can't do what do you go
Imagine.
do other things.
Your boy will do all that things. My dear, Monica don't have to send me. Now me be Avialele. I can ball on you, ball on your family anytime, any day. When I know that what you are teaching is not good. We are on social media. I did a video just the way the rest people is doing a video. I'm looking for a viewers just the way the rest people is looking for viewers because of matter we no concern them. Are you okay? Monica say me you no fight for them. I go continue fighting for Monica. Die or die. You die or die. It concern me. Die or die. If you are there, you don't love me. Why I fighting for Monica? Get away. I don't fucking care. I resemble okay. What a word, Wagbel.
Mama Mutia, you understand? Monica wedding ya igbina ni o biere mi no see any. Na ye player like be. Later ya record o biere yan do ale lo biere igbina. Understand?
Atasi.
O when ya igbina ni even egeni me ya robi Monica we social media mama. Evo ga gimere igbina ni me igbina ne Monica na. Monica ma give one beat.
Okay.
But I know the truth of the matter.
Mama, who will have video? Oh, Kwana, me like or have a video me there. He made me or happy me share video me there. He made me one like a video me there. No lele, you are a bomb bastard, Kwana. O go boda from where you are. O go where you da from wa. O go akola hori ewo wiena. O go agbe o last ka check up. E mi amu do hin adele ju wa we. Ku we kegbe we averi okpa iwo. O go hin agbe o. Wa agbe o. E trecha ko hin agbe boda from we wa akola hori e. Idiot. You calling me? Are you okay? Are you serious?
Okay, well, iya like ya kire sisi ya we ni problem for. I will be ready for them.
Mabegania, if we only came on a kere me to people we all living social media. We all dead the 5 viewers. Are you they as Vera they use light the 5 viewers? Me I go face Vera. I will face Vera. There's nothing that any witches that can do. There's nothing you guys will do that will make me leave Vera alone. See where Vera go tell Monica sorry because Monica must see joy or must see joy where you don't want to follow Monica again. Get away from her life. Don't ever come to live video say you want to call the Sagara. Are you okay? Are you okay? And then the work bar. I bet you are there okay. Show wa me. Yeah, fair me. Wa bell wa gbon. O na we live video we me. E mi ame social media we gbwe. No e wu ni here no. Ugwe mana we fia wuje e social media na ne. E gbe hia we ran we because na ije na shoga e den dey present us of hia wu. E call last na. Abi blessed did not hear what you ya be we and you must die that die. You are a bomb bastard.
Oh, Irevani mama, Irevani at least. If me agbe Monica by Monica ma wrong, eh? You not wrong.
Opinion well, I opinion.
Our opinion any oh when we are life West Benbojoa. We are teaching West Benbojo where every never do have a social media game matter where. We are the West Benbojo, GV way of Benbojo, Jack West Benbojo, and no woman, let's bigity. GTF Benbojo, what will up with your wagon? Are there a problem if Vera Mugi Monica? Are there a Monica Sunday? I don't gear. Von wacha wak bell wak me do haraju where have you calling me ija more body no gboma we den we hon mo isagoni no gboma we den we hon mo a trade tracking of film we den we hon where you are ready to die inbox me I go send the place where you go because anybody ni megi ju nu make gbe wale e fire eri e fun wak bell you are a bomb bastard.
Evera, imi agbe Vera la wa mommy Evera. Vera because I money.
Odafe Morokino Vera eke Vera. La ekwe mwe. Where they go down. What degi yeke nuke zuwa we social media. Yeki yeke o dege. Iya nike no dova we social media ya dego down we are degi yeke. Are you serious? Oh man, we can't now we the doyami viewers here. You have to go for another business to bring to social media because a business in a here happy way, a pay callers way, a pay lovers in India when no, it can only take you to a fire. When you are going to a fire, they can come to bully you, eh? Iya iwe o Vera wu e Vera pa iya me bu iya iyeke video ni ya me degbe bu ya dia o wa mane nwine rogbe ato ogbu wa ya fe wa akola akori ubu ajun gwa bi ehu emi are you okay? Are you serious? I go fight you Vera that Morokino here a police memory me and my husband 5 years now me I know they use my own today major give me yasu back on 5 years in my water from where you are run now. For you to know, say, I'm married to a policeman. For Deutschland, yeah. A Deutschman, I'm married. A social media millionaire. I wait till maybe bien. Even bien Deutschland, even post eh. Where post the Morokino where you did with us. Post that Morokino if you believe, say, you dating a real Deutschland man. Then post it. You can't even post it. Then you are using your Bekus money to take care of Morokino you get married to. Then you come out on live video, be parabolating on what where or what who need no man or donate be or do as well with social media. Then where's Vera? Or do as well with social media is Jaguari Bebogume. Yari be Kotigume. I will ready to fight you anytime, any day. You are a bomb bastard. Who working no theory. No don't see me we na wa ma vie se wa ya fe kun wa gbe o last ka check up abi bi
o Vera gbe uwe imi agbe ba me ya agbe Vera ba me e to
ma be go ko na o ta ma me we ade mi o ve gbe Vera ba igbe ba mi o ve imagine the kokobionete ade mi o ve me gbe Vera ba igbe ba mi o ve de vi o ve no hin topic no we emula diani ya do analyze maybe reni we do analyze a destiny here so you do nothing you do no more that dead rats color you do nothing you don't even feel with him my mouth now me I not talk are you okay are you feeding me now you dey buy my internet for me now you dey create my time are you okay or good damage you this color you are a bomb bastard You the craze. Yeah, I deal with a Vera. Maybe time again now. By the time I have time of Vera, I go come to Vera, not say by boost. Now direct message. Yeah, yariene. Nyeve mi ove. Okay, ya fiyangu. Oh, anybody nigi beneve social media. Iya mosto. They can never see sleep. Ya nera no gune. Go ask your father grave. Wa bell. Obi unsan.
Topic no win ye mo adiagbon. No do analyze.
Analyze it.
Evera na o ne matter na fo. Ege win ya do analyze. Really, the truth is bitter, mama. Ege go for leave the matter because now the matter.
Oh, when was an analyze? When we are talking Vera no more analyzation you talk. We do I call him many me say Vera. E ko ero weje. Ero weje ko na e kola. That's how you be. When we are say Vera the Vera more matter you talk because all parabuleti na. Ana do miengwe emi ya fe ni e ka ta ve 1990 bigidi yin do atoge nya gbe yen na. Yin do parabuleti nya video ni e ka une long time ago my dear. Use your head though. Hey, Kola, use your head. Because me, I'm fully ready. If you say you want to call me like this, I go record you. He recorded bewe. Una calling me video with Destiny well as you calling me. I should stop fighting for Monica. You okay? I will continue fighting for Monica. You do no more than dead rat. You guys do nothing. Why till when we rock my man? You understand? Why till when we rock ba? You are a bomb bastard. If you are boy, I feel what you want be a you calling me? I go bring your destiny to book. Are you okay?
I'm making a time Monica live that time. Now the matter you know they analyze things.
Why go leave her?
Only a problem, Nania.
My bag I know what when I act bishale, where when a topic in a mini, book when I act bishale. A very a topic in the go to. Elpo Ponayak Bishale because a Monica man why rubbish not do adobe social media. On our way Monica why we not pay the remaining recording. Up with the remaining recording again Monica ya gear where fight this person, message to this person, message to this person, up with recording. I be up by name me walk walk bell. Wag mo. You calling me? You are a bomb bastard.
E vera ma se problem e metopi meti se problem because e ke ne vera gbinaji e sa di ne vera gbinaji e sa de lolo gbinaji and e ga eve de ne lolo ave do ya view bone e sa de lolo no mama we understand the okay Monica do mo have bag of rice
before I said the lolo ye gbinaji if I hear when lolo go carry the video go dey analyze that way that one no get topic I video the very review only one way you page go analyze it because every topic we see as what the social media water unu no ya bi iviezo ari bi mana vie west jimano we no covi ovie gwenreni we no vie san ovi Yoruba ovie ezigi kworo you cannot wait till livie do gwezo no we winning and never maybe we senior ahwo where they buff you my dear you get waiting odor. You get odor for your body. They smell. They never bath you. Are you okay? Now Robo one call the turtle bini na kokogbe o you dey crazy. Na kokogbe. You talking to my Bini sister, I go deal with you to the extent you will go find another life because you have no life. Are you okay? Na kokogbe wagbe wagma bibi unsan. Avance. We all know where the story is going to. So you have no right to call me. To tell me say me I live very low. Ogun gbogbo wa hola hori.
Tiniye, Mama G, may I tell you?
But Monica we pizenu gwa washa.
That pizenu.
Ma bege mata no do no me. Monica we pizenu gwa washa. Ave munu gwe ija. Give ya gboko. Agwe to viere. E birthday no uni. Nema ya fe na celebrate. E gari one era no wa. Because e wandera no rie no wa na ego no rie no wa or is a problem na e ve no rie no wa no wa if you worry ne ve ne ya no e kwa ne ve toilet or it was a problem now is it now you want to say Monica give you half bag of rice why you not come the very day that last year when you received the first half bag you not come out to but you can't keep the recording in case if you want bitter, you go use the record. Why use the rere? Because why or me? wagmi. Okwe no ukpu kekan. Omana sebe na ukpu na. Ona ukpu na iya ya mezeni me gbo wa yesi. Awa ije meta ma won ke wuwe. Obiwe omana giri jobo nwene egbe yesi. You understand? Omana giri jobo nwene egbe yesi. If you want to know my mother, go to Ikbobai. Go to depot. You go ask of audio. Why ne what you man where he just live me. They go tell you my mama. My mama was a good woman. He helped many people. Oh, see no very man at all. E why you finish me pick no we bokeya. Tia give tie up tina. Yesterday night, I said I will come back to live video. There is one bros that see me for Facebook, come send me request. Come call me that yesterday night. He said, oh, you're my sister. And I said, bros, I greet you. He said, hey, see the help what your mama do for me that time. Come later here say your mama don't die. I'm so sorry, you know. The boy even talk many things. Come make me they cry yesterday night. I not come for live video again. Because they asked me, say, my yoga ones, all of them. I said, that day, me and Ogiome, they can't die. My mother died, leave those children for me and Ogiome. Now we can't take care of the children. Because say, okay, may I give one my senior brother number? He go love to help because my mother, he help her where the time we did Nigeria. Now so good they be. Now so good they be. Oh man, already help you know when. Oh man said na gbe say you don't get right to even to beat that person for a good way do for you. Oh man, oh man, we claim the first rice in a rice in when a book we wash here. Or pate mugie, if you wear a tem with any gay. Or is second or two wages and when a book where you fair wash a bag of rice, imagine. Oh, I make back by when ya. A book where one make be we at a tower or one of your full bag of rice again every week. We're needing one bin and have a social media. Why Zua? Why whole out would you do a dead boy? Are you okay? Or when no book I have a seggy mono or if you were no make baby Nigeria met 50 rog year. No, you go get once in a year. Why can't you say thank you to them? You are a bomb bastard. Me would do a dead boy where of you zan. Oh no Western no it's like your second God. If you don't know, oh God, if you don't know, one naira, one arrow. Night bell water for you. Tell her thank you because all what you go need your book. Tell her thank you. When we here then Monica and me go na. No when I where is that negbe where why is that negbe where ya fair guy? E have bag you we am moon when egbe where guy. According to the record you play. You say your sister can't send the voice note come for you. You can't send me the share them. May go see share reach your 5 children and husband. If they not carry, make the rest people share. Are you not ashamed of yourself? What a word! You are a bomb bastard. Oh, no me. Ove munu we ayi. Odi we onu we awa muni me. Owa mu me. Ijo avielele. Isho yi mo first person no mu na evu save. My first person, Monica, yet it don't boy, yes, my sister. O solo boy, son, we say. Yes. Or one no, who can we have as any me. At least he gonna send the gag by every week in it. Or they reduce it for just 1 week. The next week, I go continue sending money. What me would do here. Or here, what what will do. What for calling me to selling money, you are a bomb bastard. Idiot. Emi a do degbo ewe okono why ukbuke kan ya mesen egbi me because egbe emonishi me wusia e de plate you neri me was wusia e na 3 ni je me wusia e na 4 oti me no di ona ni me go e ha ni ke mo gba rian opare gana mo ke wan send go gie e va ni ke ni re Nigeria opa bi enewo owo kan pa o vie ga fun ivedere you understand mo ke mari go gian I will send money to them. But ni me si vigi ya mueve any or etazion ya mueve any ariogwa. Etazi evani in fact he even passed 2 weeks for them. He passed 2 weeks. How many of them did he ask? He passed 2 weeks for them before I start to send another money to them. Why can't you say thank you? And more, I went to when me have back in Mugi of you where in Nigeria. He ain't get like them social media do at where. He's your magba okay. Iye get la tell social media where o wa make biyan wa hola hori o wa no ri happy no wa ne wa wa gbo wa ni yese o wa no wa ri happy o kin si ka gbugwa yegbo o wa no wa happy o wa no wa happy o kin si ka gbugwa yegbo no be say by post o kin si ka gbugwa yegbo o wa ju wa bi eku emi o wa hin hola hori verse e egana o wa hola hori keep calling me you are a bomb bastard. Me wo do degbo ewe okay wa wa dey Monica mo ebe me yi o wa mu me afiele le show mo first person vous say I wa shogi mo first person no muna yes wa gbe o vi un tan
Monica Rude Vayan Agbine the truth of the matter is social media. Is it because of food that they fight that they
No, my people, the real truth is bitter, eh? No, let me tell you something. Because you see the truth for social media. Rude Vaye, how we are not doing the truth with social media. Where you know that you are a presenter. Where you know say you be presenter, something like this happen. Why can't you come out and give your opinion? Without not taking food from person. Without not taking food from person. Why? Then you can't take food from Monica after the bewegi ye ne devane who take be you know when you are Latin. And not say man I'm with the second one no because I saw him. Ovi unza okay. Wa se na agbo na ma wa wotun we webo ya ge gbe we Nigeria agbo ma meyan wa ya fe hola horiye wa bibio ze because wa ma gwale better wa ma plan better good for now fellow human being how good go take come to you now miserable to miserable you can never see money and take care of your children. You are a bomb bastard, Vera. You are a shy woman, Vera. You the craze, Vera. If you're mad with me, come to me. I live from Munich. Eddie Murphy will address you. No, you have police. We're not here anyway. Cause a sad thing is, we're not here anyway. But me, I say, when I boy, you will be brand night, woman. Agbamene. They have told you. They have agbamene. I might be on one in or till we stand. You always will. On one in or let we stand. They never born her. Chris, I go beat you, give you everlasting mark. If you work your man, what tell me where I shall walk by me with social media or your everlasting mark in what bell. This is a fear devil. I fear to talk the poop prick for your show. Chris, something they walk you.
The truth of the matter. The truth of the matter, no social media.
Oh, no, I don't
move. Only on one. Only well. Give away. Elolekia can we bed the way we give away there.
Ask me.
Nevera Vera. Utevinu binaba. When Vera.
My people. Are we a man, Vera? I don't know Vera, but you come to me this morning to tell me that I should leave Vera alone. Are you okay? You don't know Vera, but you have the mind to call me to tell me that I should leave Vera alone. Egbekwe rangwa hora. Egbekwe rangwa. Umay Vera o wa hola hore. Okay, who no ade Monica mweva meisha. Megbo wa yese medie. Monica wa muni me, and I so much love it. As he give me that food, he helped me for 1 week, or that 2 weeks, or that 3 weeks. Or why help me? Because every week me yari go get me wa. Me on one egg ba o get me wa. O mo pa kene. Bete moniji me wusia, ene ra me wusia. Mo ba o rien. O mo dion hi. Me wa ni me do ve webu. He merieva me marieva me sigma ne me de okay. You understand? He go ni me get me every week, every month. In fact, where ti can ya? Where ti the ta? Frankie kata muwane. Me over no segbe me I know me agbiyan with Nigeria. Show fee me. So you have no reason to come dey ask me. I don't have money me. Of money me. Whoa! Omu me my dear. Me ti gbe Monica yese men. Or wa mu me. Manoji me ya message to Monica that time. I don't get nothing from there. Atiti no view unzant back or ye €50 ya can't over me. You might get anything from the wag bell who was young wab be a way me. €50 they buy they no get say. una titiki me ni me do ya agbe Monica e 50 euro keka ati ti ege wi me Nigeria e ati ti tamu gwegi yeri egi me ni me ya sigba me we boa e ti ri go ya can't me in Nigeria ri yi ugwa agbe o agbugwa ju wa bie ku emi you calling me they tell me say I no know Vera na me you know my dear go and block your destiny. I left you there to watch this video before I go block you off. You are bell. Why don't you be a
Mama, ma like him. I want to like him. Otanan we tell me me na ma like eh.
Oh, when you like him,
yeah, na me do sick Monica. I get ya agbe Monica we live video me nobody.
Hey.
Even a lot of people was sending me that time. Yeah, na me do sick Monica. He gave me a niak boviere is the lie. Who understand? And no yagi oviere the last year do maybe have a year. Na me understand.
Oh my why you
give away? Eru deve ayana gbina ne Monica.
Egbe wo be wa fielele. Egbe wo be.
Mommy, a birthday oviere we birthday. A birthday ya we give away is a birthday. People will celebrate a birthday, not be evil people will fight for her. People not go celebrate a birthday, Monica happy. Evera ata we mi zenye gwalo, evera inye gwalo wana guye gba omo we Nigeria.
Vera, you for say you the fair person when why help you take care of your children. The truth is bitter. Who we gwale wana help you we gba ogivi we. Only we have to tell we gwalo. Better than we get na is a wrong road because Elolekia can use the life, your life to record you. He cannot assist you. Our no mighty assisted blogger for Nigeria. Or do assist you. Or tie gear neti dotoni. Area one rane. Area ticket in at Bumeo. Area get ticket in it. On your jigga yakbo or yakbokulo. Ne Elolekia the webo. Equemuwe. Wagbo. Where bueni adu we had them here. On not a cup of rice wagba. Why do we be a way? Of you, son. Are you okay? Igbina ni megbina no we Vera. Where you 50 euro ni mea. Igbina ni megbina no we mwe. Where ye ukbu ya meze give me wa. E mo buni me wagba oge. Igi meregi meje mo kwa biya. O mo diohi. Mo biya. Where you put your message giving me what people make me and no where bell agmo, what you wear beer where Rita no it was on a wake and make berry tire. I deal with Rita because of you. What bell of you, son? Are you okay?
Really? A bed of your or ya will give away ni. Take all the way give away near your fair gbinani. No, the truth is bitter, mama. Ni me ya beg Monica is there. He will video get Monica. And Monica, anybody where you want me a beat for you, let me know. Because no one ever sent me.
Lie. Monica is a nice woman. Now lead that than lead. That woman will continue to the lead. No devil born of a man with that woman that can stop it or never. My dear sister, you go lead us so. Why you boy here lead him here? The social media now because he drop where what. Koko gbe ma vio bok we are dropping ya fair. Avegia we ya fair. We go pull out together and drop them. We will get head. We will get brave. We go pull out together and drop all your enemy. That they crazy. That they mad. They're not okay. All of them they sick. Imagine the community. Are you okay?
He never sent me any message for you to know that woman is a nice woman. That is why the more that they beat her, the more the woman they rise. The more that they pray for her to go down, the woman go they rise more. I beg. I know they take any bribe. And Monica said, "Me they know they fight. Men they don't fight for them again. It's more better." Me, ya gbin and Monica oh. Iya ya fe no ya ve ya gbe Monica ve ni ya gbeli ya fe ku gbe.
Iwo ni ya fe ku gbe akori ya.
Go do hian. E je ni ma wo eje we no sini ari ekoti. Ya fio born Vera. Oh ta weru deva Oh se ni Monica nyina sike Monica. Oh ta weru deva mama ni na watakpa. Even soro no je. No je. Ukpu ya na se no wa. Ukpu. Aya na se no wa. But you see come and say thank you. Even so run or ye robby zeya na se no wa. Why la don't me the person thank you ugbe yes eh.
Amwe mizere matera.
Amwe mizere before hello
meme. Owa no mwe mizere o. Monica mwe mizere o. Vera mwe misere because evani ogiri nania. Evani orie. Vera ike do tell at social media. Monica kukumaka watane. Okatane. Iri wase. Ikatane. So that when you want to come and say it, you will say it well. Yes, my people. You will say it well. How ikawado tane. Mommy Monica, oh, we are turning mama, dear sister. Avegian way ya fe ya fe ahola okori. E treta ko hian gbelian ya fe. Ah, ike ni Nigeria ni rara bo amiege ya jo sisi gbelian. You go gbo, where they worry, we dey by your side. Say yeah. He dey ask me now say, amwe mizere. I wait Monica me ne mizere. Hey, Vera ye na get record. Record zeno beni. Abia ye won we. Record zeno be. Oye to viere spirit to viere tamewe. Or record zena ni mugere last year. Or wa record e gumeka do tane. O viere ya la dia gwa wa hola kori okuna. Wa gbe oga mi an do degbo ewe. Ovi untan.
What again? Vera ike ya record do viere since last year or this year. Imagine somebody give you food, you say you know they carry. Una ya record day.
Udia, I wait Vera Zeltani menona. Where ye claim the first food. Why you not claim the second food? Why you not claim her because your heart is so fucking miserable? Or to when no katane. Or to no ma bien or walking and ganjo webu. Or katano with your boya fenny area and where ne moya fenu biele vezieke. Or what to walk be ye say. And it's the real truth. Where ye take the blood away ye say. Why Jomave ya hair? Who wear Jomave ya have the social media? Don't have no hate volunteer to do app for you. Where you go no say this app re-enter your eye. You know say. Or to when no why you wear ya we go. Amugue mugie monu biele vezieke. Uga mune kona or 20 jetic bay say. Aguanania, I give a clitoris. Aguanana, beer, I may wait on her because of you. What bell? Where you take bunny, yes, say, my dear, continue. Available is right here for you. Anytime, any day. I said no more than dead rats. I don't send any fucking person. You got me?
Who are the play the guests of the one who no come moon way? A laughing now.
I'm when we say I think them is there. I'm when we say
Only
Now
laugh.
this alarm they blow. Men are not mad the alarm. Meant by you, Ghana.
why that way we waste 95,000 here we are telling me a miss them love way.
95,000, my dear sister. Or 2,000. Or you give you what 2,000 naira. Or 2,000 naira. In fact, 500 naira money carrier give you what we're a very good joy. A big man and a very good man. Or you go to Monica. Hey, very good joy. A big man, no winner, you go to Monica. Walk, bell, what you wap your way. Oh, walk, walk, I'm where we say, I'm where we say, Nene, are you okay? If you don't have 500 naira, or you give ye honey in Nigeria, at least somewhere there 2 days or 3 days in here. Oh, walk, bell, no western, no western, and no his gagbo, wayegbo. No western or his gagbo, wayegbo, or a dead or saga, what you wap here, where we walk, hold up, I will bless you.
I've been a matter of we are when we said it to go and you take back.
Isha, Monica, not take because I get recording. A lot of people don't know the recording Vera have. Before Monica get to tag where is any then a Vera, having your pardon, yes. One money going to say he would say Nigeria. Oh, one a ketty, melt a check a bag of rice. Only going to have bag of rice if he would say Nigeria. Okay, do shake oh yeah, there, ororo, there, viante no we no mube, okay, ya shake no wag, bell wagmo, who was you wabby a way, and me would walk carriage way, I leave you, son. I way, walk, I shake I did 1,000 naira do, I did 400 naira do before okay do call you, wag bell. Why munek be there? Because one we go no very daji. Oh, one munek be then why I fair because I'll give one. Oh, munek be then what? My beg essay is a lopua. What's in a say now bomb and no say? Why? Why the good ones where they do it? Una go do it for one kind if beside people, they go use help take tire una. Why? Why not they close road of help for the rest people where need help? Why not they close road of help? Is any no share the year now what's mobo and igele lerune meto be men lerune Monica because e cannot ya mi mefa at least e cannot mi mefa ogwa mi mefa me di every week you know me even mo be man ania every week ikbiani mabegi ikbiani ni ji me be rame wusi ya eni imikbiani every week I see me go every week. Ema iwe tamame gwa iya tamawinda na rigore uka ya sheke nene mine medie e blood me yahi iya owa iya ti areva no oteme do tamame gwa e sister o amegbe me agwa o imana amego no iti o mano gume we go mama we go na me make sure we are collect go na ve na imani ajo wa me ya vie ya igure webo imere webo because of my family maria webo ni do amu go ne morokino ni biena Maria body do I'm gonna blah boy. So I come to this Europe because of my family, because of the children. My papa and my mama died live for me. Are you okay? Are you okay? How can Vera cannot take care of his family by himself? He's looking for another person. No one more, no do go back here. Eruwaje, Monica Romea or Monzo. Oh, my family no ye gba oge o do vivie Vera no bia leve corner o do vie bage erugwa je vi agbon who what we wa need dem Monica no wa pake izegie ivie Vera every week o wa mo wa bag ni vie Vera every week o pono veni ya ye we say Vera ye we de do gbe yesi wa man ni go ni zeki wo te Nigeria go a shake it adu we me this enegbu wede go a shake it. Every day, rice they go higher for Nigeria. I don't when where you go get buwede. I then once in a year, once in Christmas where you go get buwe. You have to go check the rice now. In case of where you go get buwe Christmas, no make na even where you go get ai. E me would do dig buwe. Are you okay? What's okay? Oh, now for you to call me, yeah, you left where you left your tire away. Ku work Vera. I go tire una. Wa bewege message ya but I just wake up. Thank God say today na Saturday. I wait to get in winnable. Why do we be a
Mama, guy, Oviera is confused. Monica is confused. The way because
the reason why I say Monica, he confused. My dear sister not taking us in insult is no insult. Because the reason why I say Monica confused, he Oviera me. Oh my God, do I devil na? Because the way near your fed was saga, the woman don't even know. He don't know where one pass enter their body. That is why I said the woman is confused. He don't even know anything. Because I wait anything don't tell me Monica where a Vera de dog be where. Maybe over here can believe you where a Vera dog be. Oh what I wear a native daughter or die pastor. I believe you where Vera dog be. You know? Oviera tane we we saga. Ege Monica gele ya we saga. E Vera ti la dia vegenania. When ye Vera have a topic. If Vera cannot come out by this kind of time, say one if I hear Vera no get topic, you guys know. Una know. Are you okay?
Nia ya saga Oviera mo expect Monica yata o make Monica yata we yegi we saga we Vera ma se Monica gbe ni
o etwin
Vera ma se Monica gbe
what the man say gbe
Ija Vera etwin na Vera ti le Monica ve video Vera ve topic Vera ve topic mama
none of you untana Vera geleve topic here. If you know say Vera get topic, I beg all in video. No ya ka parabolate the last 2 years ke no ke ya so la video. Ya rie truth la dia the video re ya fe. Evi ni nu we one learn wo be Vera. No ju we ya say your word. No ma ya we fiodo we fua. No ma ya we here si go more da beg. Go and bring it. Bring that real truth. For social media, yari elazia. Truth in we Verata, who want the topic your guaguavunu, a beg, yari truth in lazia. Yari elazia, no ke parabole, no you win ya ke page oge, no ke zwo the social media. We ye no ke ya we live video, no ke zwo, a beg. E mini no rita ma we no leni ve page vera. No ya weste you wado. Omaya we wado we fwa. Omaya we hiensi go moda. Abe madam, you have to go repost the video so that avielele go see. Because sometimes see I read la video me wash it. You understand? You have to go repost the video so that avielele go sit down wash her. Wag be oga wag mo vi unsan. Ovia we.
Topic.
Isha, Monica, the woman that lead. Mama, leave that story. The woman that lead. I wait say Monica have a topic. O Tania Bovia Rechinia, no etan.
Yes. I wait say Monica have a topic. I wait say Monica a woman that lead. Why it be say the video where the woman don't do even leave. The video where don't come out where the woman don't even remember say he already do those video. Why it be say na those video now na go they carry comment. A video na year na I went na dey go down. Iyani ke adegi yeke. O mo no ya mo video last year last 2 years re do analyze. Iye ko degi. O degi yeke because I had make a life. He can never make life all degi yeke here. He why ya fe adego down. We are degi yeke. Oh no you analyze a video last year. A video last 2 years. Oh next year awawere 2022 awawere. A video 2021 here we analyze. He analyze every no here soon over 2023. He can never tell us how his life go be 2023. Now a backward. Ya fe wa degi. A backward. Why they go backward? We are good day oh my way. When Europe you don't tired, you get away from this Europe. If you are tired of social media, oh my carry a straight in way, then you off your live video where we la wa no ya parabuleti ya resort giegbe we the mejeo bometi giegbe we are merere come out and bully me give me anytime, any day you call me out, I'm ready. I am fully ready. You know me now. When I push him, don't use your hand to push me. Because when you push me, I go tell you, say you are nobody. You be nobody. You have nobody to fight for you. I will be ready. Let me tell you now. Monica made the leader that lead. Whether the devil like it or not. Because if the woman cough like this, if he pour speed, wapike why ya gwale viewers or coffee wapike why ya gwale viewers agbona gele ohuwa agbona ohuwa. Why can't you bring your own topic? You have no topic to bring. You can't even create your own content so that a lot of people will learn from it. Only with you they create. Now stop it where don't pass for 1990 beginning. You are a bomb bastard. And then when Magbarero wag me, who walk la hurry, who washing wabie who when I read that the man wait for me. My destiny of your maladian. I will bring your destiny out. Keep putting it there. Don't change it too. I will post your destiny later. Wait for me. Hey Chris. Something they walk you.
Nadia no see. Because they believe say only that one go make them see viewers. Mama, money.
Said the woman that lead me. The woman that lead me. Hello. I greet you. Be this.
No, Mama Alex.
Mama Alex. How you doing? Yeah, I did live video. I'll call you later. Okay, I'll reach on our side later. Okay. You there? Papa to say money number. Okay, man. That's what I want to say to now. Because I did live video, babe. Now this phone is day. Wait, may I send that for you? Okay. Okay. Do you understand, my people? Monica made the woman that lead. Who are you? Are you there? Are you a bomb bastard? Monica made the woman that lead. If you want to die, die, oh. Die. Because I will what? Oh, what's no way after a whole lot? Yes, oh, one is leading, and he go continue to the lead. Who be you? Who be that idiot? Who be that bedside? Where you go say me Monica no lead again? Who you be? You the boy you were? The boy you were? Ama bi wa se anenu wa ya fe akola kuri. O wa gbe o laska shake up abi bi untan.
Carry met the woman that lead the social media. Nobody born of a woman with a man that will change it. Nobody. I might be a one in no change it. Oh, when I say when I already met you where? Yes, I might be a one in no change it. Even no, when I already met you where, and you know if you answer me, or you tell me not because thing I get when I have a wuje calling, call a presenter here. Imagine that one they hope we. I can't mwe idiot in no who ye platform me. I can't mwe your to show any boy ye fear wuyo. Any boy doing a beer where a dog bar hole where I found why you 150. Who walk bell like my view son. I let way. Why, Monica met the leader that lead madame. I did think I want to go to see me. Yata me, I would there more vielele. Or man, push he don't push me. Because if you push me, go collect. He love Monica. Or when he had been I will fight for Monica. Why anywhere at all? I think be me a war. I'm fighting for my truth. And when the time reached to breathe the truth, all of them go sit tired for social media. Now so it be. I love Monica, Mama. And I will fight for Monica. I will continue to fight for Monica. If Vera me every time again. Yeah, be Vera to the extent. My Vera must like very court. Okay. E court ni ye on Monica tinyanji. You hate me e court wegani. You no marry Morocchino. No matter vie. E Morocchino no marry Latin. I don't fear anybody. Oh, no. E rob what here again. Where am I? Unaria dana uyo. Oh, I'm a boy. Come. And not let me send, okay? Come. Come take him. Come take him. Vera no mare monokiro, morokino. Not ye yo wa. If we monobiele, why give a possible? Pas me possible, ni re Nigeria, possible, ni re webo, possible. When me want to post that for possible, who do Allah dia want to saga the person? You okay? Monica, my mother for a live social media. Or my movie live social media. When no one be a lead beside, when no be a level if you are me. When the government is baore, a government marari go monu wave, if beside no mare wo gemine, where feed. Now you want to talk. You get topic. Wherever we man topic is me, we man water se me no me we Monica. Manika ivie Manika dore. Mana why you can do Yahweh. We too get topic now. Where me vie go no one more David ivie do no all we are fight over here do no do go scot-free. No. We go use all our strength to fight them. And this problem we Vera say one can analyze na koko vio bokugbe. If you know say you love Vera. When we la diavo doni, who we message to avielele, give me kugbe, because me wa agree what me. My Chris can come at any time. My Chris go yo come at any time. Anytime I wake up, problem go come. Na so it be. Wa gbe oho na vi unsan. Ewe. Evera ne possible. Oh we ado ya gie. Oho no wa post da fun poste mo. He sa lo boy wa kon gbe wa gbo. Ewa kon de wo iya ko la horie abi bi unsan umamie wanera ya nwame umamie honorary 50 cents ya dame wo. You see another person that give you water to drink, my dear, respect that person. Say thank you. Don't ever tell the person say he not do anything for you. If I hear I will say very bad at or receive the first food. What am I receive the second food? No, because I am not do later. Or I am not do what am I receive the second food. And what are you, mama beg? Madam, I say what I would met you where? Mete, you might like a bit of bish now. Of your car, ne wa bell. Wago na everati where more viale le wa trave. Igbe family way we my woman white deji. You are both bastard. You waking me this morning telling me I should call you. Then they tell me rubbish. They mad. Oh fia wagmo. Na so all you we be a huey. Ye life for me I dey lead myself. My dear, yet lead take because he made over lead down with social media. That leader na be Monica. Without Monica, other people is a counterfeit. Without Monica,
Other people na useless counterfeits. You where they give me red there, just wait for me. Other people na counterfeits, not be say by boss, not be say should be mama fly. Without Monica video, una no go feel it na. Una no go see super chat. Una no go see callers where go they call una. They give una say me na write down. If you know say not be Monica, they give you view. You know say not be Monica, they lead you. Now bring your topic. Now go find your topic, bring to social media. Just try, may you find better topic to social media. Yes, create your content. Stop using Monica content. Stop using a video. Stop to the use a video. Create your normal content. You can't create your content. That is so shicey. That one is shicey. You know if you create your content. Now when Monica will talk, now you go pick a video. Is that where paraboleti man? You have no topic. Monica remained the leader. And no devil, born of a woman with a man, come from that Nigeria, who that live for this Europe, that will put stop for that leader. Never. Monica remained the woman that lead. Are you there? Are you okay? If you know say your hair correct, your papa, your mom born you well. Come tell me say Avialele, Monica is not your leader. Then I go tell you say Monica is your leader. Because you very rock social media. Wherever topic, are a video where you have a topic Monica, or ya grow a page you. We drop a page in I open a page away. I give you just 2 years. No ga do grow second we grow sena. No open a page away. No more a content obo well at I give you then no 2 years. I give you 5 years. 5 years. Where they grow second we grow sena. If Monica are topic in way. Now Monica make you grow. All of una way they mad for social media. Now Monica give una viewers. Akonoke kenwa nesingo modern emodomwa kokobiri Nigeria Arabu wawati ege Morokino no bielena oni every topic in here. Without Monica video they cannot grow. Without Monica video they cannot bring other topic to social media. That is why Monica remained the leader that lead. So you don't marry, you do no more that dead rat. You can't stop that. God that put that woman for there, you know if you stop her. You don't understand? Where to stop her? Where to stop a caller? You calling me a gay for this rubbish? You know go where you go see yourself. You know go expect more. E can we na ya me gbu we expect. I will talk me ya record o na first time why at because ovega ro ma o. Me gay or tag better be careful ne. E do ya record e. I will talk me ya so record where Avialele, Monica when we gbina ni e wa gbina ne Monica o de dog bu e no ve gbe verana ina we yi ata mu we Monica o si okoye vera gbe abi e vera si egbe yi o si egbe yi problem e vera si egbe yi problem ugwo we o na tamani ni do tiyen wa gbe o agbon o bi untan e ku e mu okwo na wo wa ho la korie e ma ne vera riri gere wo ho la korie e jem ni ma be vera ji. A Moroccan children of Bieleni, when of you and a Moroccan husband, because a Moroccan husband, winner. When of you any are not dedicated at the Munich, ya bevera, jigon hoya no na mejono. I may be or money or biao or woo. No, I tell a we stand, they never born her. You are a born bastard. Where? Who do let we stand while they make me naija? Egbo ma bebe ne voice me wajena Eric mini meje ma bebe ni me wajena veli optina na so my fat be they don't tell na before atamu wane we are one like them na o ma game say after all today I've already spoiled and you look me you not look me where yeah is a beg police do re a police of back yanta mama go inside your room because I gbamene if vera get full head and your head they reborn you where for Roboland I beg crest of Munich wa die Munich no ade ni boa ni aji go hoya no na mejuo no me talk mele I talk my I always talk with her of feed do. I don't call the talk with her no feed do. Because when the time reach, I don't feed do and a shame. Yeah, boy. Hey. My dear sister, Luere boy. Ya gwa le topic of your dear social media. Monica see no jejwe. Is any no money we. Ne say I dog no boy. Ne say Monica yagbe Monica boy because egbe where ye ne. At least in your umadzina first food. Una do deny second food. Why you not deny the first food? You claim her because who may go no are give a period in it. Who may time a record in where I don't give an is that a can be wedge or then a husband the one with it or manamu where you go where till loud, but that means you are not still sending money to those children. That means whether there you go give money, now have your money latia. The 1990 begidi where you go give because only go lie or that from what bo or we are no who be along me favina only go loud but why when no more yari there who me on another tribe I miss to carry half bag of rice to those children then you come social media to come and be bully that person. Are you okay? Egbe wo where egbe go who where egbe ma he vera ma he need love vera egbe ma he vera ma he need lega vera egbe ma hu wa ya fe ahola horie u wa gbe o last ka check up e mi awu do hin adeleju wa we okay ti say you fit brainwash me now this kind one that they call brainwash not be that one where Vera they do that they say the woman be one come brainwash me. No, this kind of callers now that they call brainwash. Why are you telling me I should leave Monica? I should not fight for Monica. Are you okay? I will continue fighting for Monica. Oh, when I'm around, who barberu we zo. Ya fearful because a ramezo vubabere, ezo vubabijue, where the rame ya live, any here ton, I'm a wet or here ga. Wagbo, have you telling me I should leave Monica alone? Are you okay? Me let it egbe, me deal with atiti because oge ya fe na titi ta me me do ya gbe Monica. It may view bonatiti. Me a they come. I they come for road. This matter no never finish you. Analyzation is very win ya mure ifone. Make it do analyze it just in uwa. Uwa here time where problem have for the social media. A problem for never. There will not be a that day where problem go finish for social media. If you don't know now, go and know. If you are not a presenter now, try to be a presenter. Try to be a presenter overnight because we must see the end. Wagbo wajun we be we. Ovi unsan. Uma de okay mandan. Tieve ko, tieve. Mo afele le tieve. Tieve. Ove pe me ya record with this wase because whatever stop in there why you tieve because we man need that call last na. Where we adote rubbish man. What someone leave a voice note me. No nata ma ni me do ti we. Ibete we to here devie we. Ni sende no bagie. Imete we to here weto. Ni ta meve no ya miele. Imete to here we alashisi. Ni no we deria no jeni do we alashisi. Imege problem no here mugu we wera. Why go call you? Why go call you? When you carry problem give me for inside bed. Na no warial. Na everywhere spoil today because area real one. Wagbo ho na wajun we be we. For spoiling all the plan I get for my life today. You spoiling it. Esaga trat ve na esaga ya te boru wa ya fe te boneru wa vijuwa wa wu wa mu dia yo demata ya hol ya ju ngwa ya hola horie wa gbon you calling me you no fit brainwash me go and see all those best I be the call as a friend me feeling ya fe kwane because meti stand you denema yet stand you denia na de refia wu never meti wu bebe wu ya settle down because say money me koko unwe money me koko all was save me. Inside not they see the one that they do something. Money me koko ni they cannot allow me to go down because they have a vision they are worshiping them. If I want sleep I they pray mama take care of me. God go take care of me. My papa go still take care of me, Jonah. If I wake up, I'll be like, oh, baby. I'll be like, Piki, where you sleep, where you wake up. You know, God, they do them. So you do nothing. Not be you now, I can't give me topic. Me, I leave Vera alone. Where I tell me Vera, ni Vera say Monica here. Where my tell me Vera, go on no west no magbe, yes, where I tell me Vera. Mwe, a baggy, on our full baggy. You what the time way. Every week you ya want ne Monica ya pack a full bag give you Vera. Oh what a time. Oh what a time my people. And we boom my afeji. Te Vera in Nigeria now only day happy with Nigeria. And we boom my afeji. According to Monica, or where ni ya vivie Vera Latia. Ni ya vivie Vera Latia vegani. A love us here the page a love us here they donate money where they carry go give Vera children for Nigeria. A Vera we marry do Tony. Oh we have to make the recording here. A recording way ya Tony. Ni ya maya claim nigo. Ni ya claim nigo. You for player. why playing this record of half bag of rice? Igo nagi money view where na ya ni ya gba oregbe ya wo. Igo ni ya gi donate with social media money view where umatoni wate omwe half bag of rice me omwe half bag of rice me udo kara ju wewe uwa gbe o uwa jungwa bie hwewi uwa hola horie uwa gbe o wagbon. For working me this money, you can never get peace of mind. For giving me problem this money, you will never get peace of mind. There's nothing you will put on this money that will progress for you. Now, miserable life, now you go to live this woman. You and Vera. Now, miserable life. Una can never see who help una again. Nobody go volunteer to help any of una. For social media, nobody go volunteer to help. Now we be witches. Yes, anybody wanna volunteer to help. Oh, he agbuwayada. Oh, he siga agbuwayegbo. Oh, he siga yosisi gbele agbuwayegbo. Uwa hola hori. Eme udo he wolo hona. Eme udo he agbo hona. Ogbivie. Ogbegboge. Ogbuwaya fe. Wagbo wagmo. Time Vera ye vego eh. By the time I have Vera time I go ball on Vera. Let me say bad boss. If I have Vera time, I go ball on Vera. Not be say should bear mama fly. If I have Vera time, Vera don't mean the same Martin even yagbin again. Me de ni do ya lue. Ni ya lue destiny oge. Ni ya lock destiny oge. Wagbo hona. Emi awu do hian haraju ewe. Obi unsan. Are you okay? You calling me I should leave Monica alone. Are you okay? What be me? I be what did talent me. Oh, where you go in me? What you go me? Who you for me? Ni aya make it. Ni aya we this year. Ni we now go for now than me ya we live video. The phone now ya no ke lue a back video where the phone give there. No where available. Throw away that phone, no repair am again. Use this phone. Where the phone give there. Don't do have made no ya me go available. Right call me. Wagbete wo evi agbon ho na hia muguwe wo wie na imere problem hia muguwe and the problem no hia so bobi rowe eke no we drive ire ni ade to ya like train yo why ya like boss yo wa mi accident ku we ke mo no fi hia ni wo wa ya fi ahola ahori because ma wa we e mo we no to tie we wo wie na wa gbe o ovi untan ovi ase. Are you okay? Now be smart thing, my people. Unero lying. All of una way they watch me so. If you know say you know hate Monica, you love Monica the way Monica is. You know go share for this swear where I swear today. But if you know say you hate Monica, you and your full generation go share for this swear. Not be only that woman very low. You and your generation, una go share for this swear where I swear today. I swear. Una go share from it. Una way love Monica the way Monica is. Una go remain good. Nothing go happen to una. Una can never share from this way. See those who say they hate Monica. They don't want even see Monica drink water, keep cup. Una go share from this way. This way where I lay on una this morning. Una go share from her. Because I go every mawa. Ubaya fe a hola horie. Monta. Of your bota. Ya gwa livege. E sa de rave sa DJ. Of your boy. Me of your pastor. Yes, you have a pastor of your boy. Ya see a born when I stand by it. Oh, man, have a whole lot of I can never leave it. Are you okay? On my June lane. They say, on my June lane, the platform me. What my Javen one. Oh, who now, show who you care. Oh, my man, have a lane. You will not stop calling people again. Can they call me? Are you okay? No, don't call me, oh. Don't call me. Never. If you want to become a presenter, why will become a presenter? Why a presenter says why? Woman have a presenter say, if you don't know any way, have your other way. That's we have a grow. You will grow now. You will grow, but have your other way. Why hold out for you? You know who want my people? God bless all of you now today. Please, I just wake up and I have to go pour water because I'm feeling it right now. This lady, it make me angry this morning. You don't have to call me. I love Monica the way Monica is. Now me talk and say I love Monica. And no matter what Monica go do me, I can never come to bully Monica. After all, a Monica rieve I mene. Inare do bully Monica. Ime mene. E Monica rieve any mo when mo rieve any. Aswa we money me koko ve Nigeria. Inya rieve any ne. My dear. E Monica feed the mene. or ye very many. You understand? So yetik but no we say me yetik be yesi. Or say nagbona ye meme we bona. Or say anything he praise it almost to comes to pass. Anything in your body no all will come to me. You understand? My dear, no get time for me. Say me I go come bully Monica. You no go say. Or Monica can never bully me because or woman no my way me odo. Set it down me odo. I me mana lads the social media where I don't feel beg Monica. And Monica can't have feel beg me. You understand? My dear, do your own no. Let Avialele do our own. Don't ask me the reason why I love Monica. I love Monica. Yes, I love Monica. I love her family. I love her Bruce. I love her children. So, anybody with me I don't love for this social media, if you know say get big head, message to them. Me and you will pull leg for the same trouser. Are you wear your trouser ba? See le here. Are you wear your tala walk ba? See le here. Wag bibi unta. E ma no meti ri eve na gbe yan wo wa me wa no epi wari eve ni wi wa aswo wa gbele yan yesi. Why we no ma be ya epu why? Oh Denny wa hwe because another person that will volunteer to help Vera children, he go think and say what he do to Monica na. He go see do one to later. Why go take help? I go tell why those children no go carry gun for Nigeria. Or when osisi eya imu no wote Nigeria komo we ni yara hian yi. If Vera so amu no sisi ne kono honoro keni bianiro iya mu no sisi. Aweti iviere mi no ekorie wan era gian ve Nigeria na. Obvia ma oni go ne wan rohi ve Nigeria. Woni go ne wan rohi. Atiti megbina na the social media na meted ite many things de Monica agbe because of atiti. Ni mena imega titi o ma no zua no yare condon no bokan ya win na revugbo atiti na do toge mame ina ya agbe Monica or no reason. Ina ya agbe Monica oni ga titi send go be €50. Oni go ye go be €50 that time €50 every 20,000 ma say 20,000. E €50 ma say 20,000 in Nigeria or ye go be me. Igoro masaya there. They were what Masia ya wanyo. Can you imagine? Ewe obi unza. Me sister no ye €50 give a family live in Nigeria na. No. Only to igbe. You don't understand? Wa pay me. Mami go ne here ni government pay me ni. 400 and €1 ni. Me what €30, €32 no room when €400 go to my family. Not be even my senior brother. My younger ones. A senior brother me. Only no worry 100,000 your account or what my senior young one. You may go 100,000 in your account. Me I go your account from 2,000 300,000 up. Every your account and ye obi megwe. You understand? Because a big man on your wawe me go na me. Ogio me one of Nigeria. Or me go bete no ya me yari 50,000 ye ogu me akati or what to egbo bi jeme wa we ya wi o ma se me ya wanyo yi o sie mi agari go gegbe me ye wa to tai we regbe me mi wa ri go ni ya kanti ya ne iya wa feed the say tin we I go get the money again to send to them. Now you now go see person we volunteer to even help your children. You will come on social media, come and be parabolating. Wagbo vi unsan. We only go ne ma ni ke zeje Nigeria. We only go ni ayagba o gegbe yan wo wa. We only go. That means where did they go give you where? We go lie or that for no beer now we go eti like be eti la obo. We go eti la obo. That means if you we wan oje gbe yan. I beg people that know Vera children why they gbe ya fi yan Latin. We are why addressing me ya mo vi me la den problem ro repage me post say ovi me is living fine ovi me beg mo mi jun ya here the key. You understand? Who send me say we Nigeria mo say we ya la webo iti menege na bia yo total bo me ya su seni we ni meje me wa hieri me mo mi jun here wo tedoni. I suffer with the cause suffer before I enter this Europe, before God answer my prayer, before I get to go get bene. You understand? Wa hola holi me wu do deleju wa you cannot use avielele. Abri wash me. Don't call me Abri wash me. Because if you call me now, you don't expect yourself, now you go see yourself. And this woman, you get luck, say, na fake account. Now you take go call me. I wish na your real account. I go post your husband. I go post you. Post your generation. I have you post it. Wegba men avielele. Avielele no me plate shine. Wegba men. Ane ya fe a grow ngwa ya fe. Walwerere. I can never leave Monica alone. I know fi hate Monica. Yeah. I know fi dislike Monica. I love Monica. So you do nothing. All will pay tickets, man. May Libya people. Odu huila la wa. So unve right. We don't let Libya la wa do ata mi me. You do ata mi me when you live life me. All what the tanet me. When you near what plaza we Libya. Ama plaza we a flatty. Ama plaza we wake la webo. You understand? Who do I call him me? Me no enegbe. Luerere. Because Agboya fe no present Agboya eh. Many spirits they present to. Many people emanaka sero nu iya present to. Emanaka sero nu. Ya we ne degbo ogbo ya we ne bi owe. Ya we nu degbe at all. Luerere callers. Don't ever your life to call me. I use God and una generation to beg you guys. I don't need call. Let me give Monica the love I want to give to that woman. I'm a be with senior. When I do atama where he say Monica ne egbina ni Monica. Ogun Ijera is a bomb bastard. Ijera is a bomb bastard. Yours the way Vera be a bomb bastard children. Bastard children, 8 children. And young girl what below me. You know if you feel anything without where God. I dey proud of my son. See what I've done so far for my children. See what I've done so far. Ni. Ever since the brief Vera children come out, a Vera mama ya record if no where my mom is not taking care of us, so we are not going to school. The same person we will make cook work bewa. All not do agwe Monica no enegbe. E Monica no enegbe no ba ye. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh no eti muviela anytime any day. All we are gear or money niji besadi. No matter vi besadi no biele ladia. No matter vie e morokino no win ye mare vo ejemni or mati poste morokino one day. Now they ata wo poste morokino. I remember when the stolen slap me say na kokobiri na de carry. I remember that time. Where una carry my master go give to Aproko. Where he said na kokobiri na me de carry. But I posted my husband. I post the man with me on a day for 5 years now. I post him. Wama bego da for me begeni. Wama bege. A lot of people say, Avielele, stop posting it, don't post it again. Hey, Mama, I have to post this. I have to put it here. So that they go know Avielele girls band. And he's a policeman. We are when a dead boy, we Jim no boy. We are when a dead boy. Ekeme ya muwe ne ya tame ye waki kirobishi jwe. Oh God. Oh, other female mana gwa leve no ya se Nigeria ene. Ezo ari between me and her. Problem go dey between me and her. Because if he love me, he go do what I love. He go do it for me. Are you okay? You dey okay? We when I your boy pushing me here. He may what dey okay, my dear. Wani keni parabolate woman wado over webu. So you cannot use yourself and compare me, okay? You don't feel use yourself and compare me. Me as a day, yes, I never built that for Nigeria, no problem. But I can proud of something. Eri meke wu ori go me. Ije meke wu ori me go. I feel proud of that. What are you proud for? We are proud, Iji. Emi te me hui. I beg my people, you know what? God will bless all of you now. Those that understand me, God will bless you now. Those who don't understand me, get away. That's what it be. I love you guys for good, not for bad. Let me leave you guys for good. Now, just a little message I want to give to Vera and the caller. He just less woman way say make on call me this early morning. Now, the message I want to give you now be that one. Men are all on tight, all on strong, very important. You know understand? Because on my way come me back to Vera again, you shock. Una go shock. Don't be say by boost. All of una go shock. In your shock to lies. Even about it, sir. I love you guys. I keep saying God will bless all of you. Please, I have to leave you guys for good now, not for bad. See me later. Ciao, guys.